Hey guys, today I'm gonna tell you how to fix charging cable is not detected after update on Samsung Galaxy A17, A37 or A57. If you're using Galaxy A17, A37 or A57 and you're facing the issue that your charging cable is not detected in your phone, so let's see some possible fixes for this. The very first thing you can try to clean your charging port because sometimes it might be if there is any dirt or any dust in your phone charging port, so you might get these type errors. But if you're still facing the same issue, so you can try to go to settings again and go to software update section and make sure that your software is up to date because sometimes it might be if your software is not up to date, you might get these type glitches. Then just scroll down, click on this power icon, click on restart, and then click on restart again to have a restart with your phone. A simple restart can fix your software glitches and the technical errors with your phone. And once you have done, your issue might have been fixed. If it's still not fixed your issue, so there's only way. You just have to try to check out your charging cable and your charging adapter. Because sometimes it might be if your charging cable, your adapter, or your charging port is damaged, so you might get this type of issue. Your phone will not charging. So you just have to try to change the damaged thing like your charging cable, your adapter, or your port with an original new Samsung charging accessories. Once you have done, your issue will be fixed and you will not get this issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.